Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today we're gonna look at the new JBL Live Pro 2. So it just released 2 weeks ago. So I got them today. So let me go through the key features before we open the box and try it out. So the Live Pro is around £130 in UK. It's around 160 in US price change. So check the link below. So it's coming with quite a lot of colors to pick and choose from. So you have a black, pink, blue, and silver. So you can pick and choose. 40 hours of battery. So it is quite a lot for a small in-ear spot. You get 10 hours on the earbud and 30 hours on the case. Come with the active noise cancellation. We're going to try the noise cancellation and see is it worth it. Also, it does come with the smart ambient, so if you want to talk to somebody or you want to listen to what's happening around you while you're listening to your music, you can do that. Wireless charging, so that's the first time I've come across the JBL with a wireless charging, so that is a plus as well. 6 microphones for phone calls, so that is quite a lot of microphone. That's you normally got on the Jabra 75T 85Ts. They have the 6 microphone, so this is the first JBL model have the 6 microphone. And you have a touch control and voice assistant, also IP5, so water resistant, supported by Bluetooth 5.2, so definitely a bit improvement on the Bluetooth version, so definitely better connection. Let's say in a city where there's a lot of people with a lot of electronics and there's a lot of buildings, you shouldn't be worried about your headphone getting disconnected or one of the earbud connected and one of them not connected. You shouldn't have that issue. It's have 11mm driver, so it's going to be allowed. So these are the earbuds. They come in the foam, so let me put that aside. So you have the rubber ear tips charging, so you have a USB-A to USB-C for charging. So they made it very simple and simple guide. So you have the technical guide. I'm not gonna open it, it's just waste time. Quick starter guide, so where to download the JBL app and how to pair the earbuds and how to sync the dual connections. When you come to control, simple tap for pause and play, triple tap to skip the songs, and if you hold 2 seconds it will access the voice assistant, and you don't get any voice control on the earbuds. So the one I bought is the blue model, so it's have like a glossy finish to it. It's look really nice, but I like the stem to be a bit more smaller, and I can see the mics on the both sides. I like the feel of it. It's very lightweight, yet it doesn't feel like a plastic. That's look really nice. So you have the light to indicate how much is charged. Case is already charged. When you come to magnets, so you can see the magnet is quite good. It doesn't fall off. It's gonna be the USB-C for charging. So let me try them on. Very like flat to your ears, so it doesn't like stick out of your ears. It doesn't feel like you have ear, but it's very light on the ears. So you have the ear fit check, so you can so let's say you have a smaller ears, you can change that to change the ear tips and you get a better fit, so therefore you have better audio quality and better noise cancellation. The ear canals for the ANC, so let's say you have a smaller ear canals and you have a bigger ear tips, you're going to lose a little bit on the noise cancellation because you're just having the wrong ear tips. So this is going to help you with that. Voice assistant setup, so is it like again Google Assistant, Alexa, you can do that, and that's pretty much it. First you get a earbud display with the battery life on both the earbuds, and you have it on the case. So the case at the moment have a 60 and both of the earbud have a 80% charge. Automatically the ANC on, then I can go and play with this. Is so this is the part where it's talk through, so you can talk to other people while you're listening to your music. Then the ambient wear, so you can again reduce and increase how much you want to hear outside noise. Then when you have the ANC on, then again you do have a choice on how much ANC you want and how much ANC you want off. So now we're going to try the audio, and let me know what do you think about the audio.
She can look pretty, shine like the city, make him stop and stare. She can cross his path, hope he does the math, that one is two, but he... She can look pretty, shine like the city, make him stop and stare. She can cross his...
Hi guys, this is the audio from the JBL Live Pro 2. Hope you guys are able to hear my voice very clearly. I'm an indoor, so you should able to hear my voice very clearly. There shouldn't be any noise at all. Hi guys, this is the audio from the JBL Live Pro. I'm outside. Now you should able to hear a bit more noise. So we have tried the audio and the sounds really good. I really like the audio quality, especially with the JBL app. So first we tried it without the app. Sounds really good even just without the app. I really like the bass. So far no distortion, though no delays on the audio. The audio is very clear, and when you go into the app and change the setting on the audio, you get much more audio and it's much more quality in the bass. I do like the features where the noise cancellation, ambient and talk through technology they had, and the features and what I can do in there, where I can turn it off, turn it a little bit on, or I can just control how much I want to hear and how much I don't want to hear. And I do like the feature on the finding the earbuds is really loud and very clear earbuds with a lot of features and very useful features, I have to say. I really like the audio quality. I like the features. For £130 is worth every penny. I think they should have priced it slightly more. If you are considering buying an earbud that have a good quality, good microphone and really good bass and longer battery life, I highly recommend you going for the JBL Live Pro 2. You will get much more on the audio. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, leave the comments below and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.